Beautiful night here in the Queen City. It's a showdown of two terrific young quarterbacks on a Thursday night. I can't wait to watch them work.
There ain't nothing else to say, man. Let's go out here and make some plays. It's prime time. Prime time on 3. 1, 2, 3. Prime time.
What an atmosphere down here. Absolutely perfect conditions for a football game.
Feel that energy. Hey, let's feed off each other. Let's feed off each other. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby.
This is a young team. You might be sore Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but when the lights come on, I think these guys will be ready to play.
The Bengals won the toss to first, so Jacksonville on offense first. Trevor Lawrence leads the Jaguars out. This place is noisy. Paul Brown Stadium is rocking already. Jamal Agnew in the game. They run a jet sweep to him. Jamal to the 40-yard line. Jamal's going to have a first down.
We knew that at some point you got to get an explosive player like him involved with the offense, maybe not necessarily as a receiver, but on plays like that.
Shotgun for Trevor Lawrence. Play fake. They throw the ball to the tight end. That is Arnold, and he's going to have yet another first down. His first catch is a Jaguar. He got it to the 6-yard line. It's going to be first and goal, Jacksonville.
And Arnold shows some speed getting up the field.
17-yard gain, first and goal at the 6-yard line for Jacksonville. Running play, James Robinson. James cuts back to the middle of the field and scores. A 6-yard touchdown run by James Robinson, and Jacksonville strikes first.
What a great read by James Robinson.
Yes, sir!
James is seeing it. Doing a great job.
Hey, we're in great shape. Right now we're 7-0. We're in great shape. Running well. You might use your legs some when you got to, right?
You're going to beat them on the edge. Dip, reach drill. You know what I'm saying? Don't look to counter in too early. Just believe in it. Dip, reach. It's going to be a sack fumble.
So here come the Bengals, trailing Jacksonville 7-0. Under center is Burrow. Play fake, dropping to throw again. He is going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. Oh, the Jags got him that time all the way back at the 42-yard line.
Because I was getting the ball. No, dude. Hey,
he got half.
We touched him. We wrapped him up while y'all was going down. He was going down either way because I had the ball.
We took one up the floor. Man, don't break. Let's get it, baby. All game.
The 95 and Fort Boyle, they didn't block it right on the perimeter, right? That should be a touchdown. Okay, we'll come back to that. All right, be ready.
So the Jags now take over in their 20. They lead 7-0 here at Paul Brown Stadium in Cincinnati. Trevor rolls right, fires. Dan Arnold again. The tight end makes a catch, and another good game. Well, he's quick, this guy. Got it out to around the 32-yard line. That'll be a 12-yard gain. Second catch of the day for Arnold, and a first down. Running play, James Robinson, big hole, 40, inside the 40, ran through a tackle inside the 30. J-Rob got it all the way down to the 25-yard line. First down, Jacksonville.
Right once he gets through the line of scrimmage, he makes guys miss, and that's what's so beautiful about James Robinson. He's so efficient and doesn't waste any movement in getting north and south.
Third down, be smart! Be smart!
Third down from the 7-yard line. Play fake. Lawrence keeps it. Made a man miss. Dives toward the end zone. Touchdown! There you go!
Nice little read option keeper, and he has to beat one guy. That's defensive end Sam Hubbard, and he does exactly that and dives into the end zone. Get the ball back.
The Jags have been good on third down of late. Shotgun dropping is Burrow. Looking. Fires. That ball is going to be caught. But what a job by SHAQ Griffin. He made the tackle right after the catch. The Bengals are going to have to punt it away again after going 3 and out.
Hey, nice. Hey, nice job on the butt. You got to drive out. Tail play. Nice.
Remember, the Bengals get the ball coming out in the second half, so you want to make a statement right here.
Under center is Trevor Lawrence. Dropping the throw, rolling to his right now, looking downfield. Fires deep downfield, wants Laviska Shenault. Laviska made a diving catch. He is touchdown at the 12-yard line of the Bengals. 4th and goal with 59 seconds to play, and you lead it already 14-0.
What do you think, Kill? What do you think? Tell me what you think. Slam it in there. Go for it.
Here we go, 4th and goal. The ball is inside the 1-yard line. The snap to Trevor Lawrence, runs an option to the right, dives toward the goal line. They say he didn't get there. They say he is stopped at the half-yard line.
Well, it's an aggressive play call, and boy, it is so close.
So close, bro. I felt I was trying to push. They like curled me up.
You're good.
You're good, bro. I was like inches.
You're good.
We played 30 minutes. The Jags have played awfully well tonight. Oh boy, have they been good. 14-0, Jacksonville leads.
Let's go. Set that toe. Set that toe. Make it feel.
Bengals are on the move. Under center is Burrow. Play fake. Rolling. Got a man wide open. That's his tight end. Has it at the 10-yard line. Made a man miss toward the end zone. That's going to be a touchdown. Wide open was C.J. Uzomah, and he's going to have a touchdown of 22 yards.
Uzomah is kind of the new tight end for the Cincinnati Bengals, and he's a pretty good one now.
Shotgun for Joe Burrow. Fires deep downfield. That ball is a back shoulder throw, and the catch is made falling down. Trenton Irwin made the catch. They hand it to Mixon. He's in. Fumbles into the end zone. Touchdown, Bengals.
We better get it going. We better get it going. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Lawrence looks for Agnew. Did he get both feet down?
Wow.
And he did. What a catch.
4th and 2 from the 38. Shotgun for Trevor. He drops, looks, fires left side. That one's caught by Laviska Shenault. He's going to have the first down. That was a good throw and a down and out. And a first down for Jacksonville.
First down.
2nd and goal from the 8-yard line. Hand off to James Robinson. Tries the left side. Lowers his shoulder. Reaches for the goal line. They're going to call him down at about the half-yard line. The Jags are going to challenge it. Urban throws the red flag.
That's a touchdown. That is clearly a touchdown.
They overturned it. A good challenge by Urban Meyer. James Robinson was in the end zone, so it is a touchdown.
No power without y'all, baby. Y'all get that
Empty backfield for Burrow. They may be in 4-down territory here. Burrow drops, looks, pump fakes, now scrambles around, rolls those left, flag comes down, fires, that ball is going to be caught. Uzomah makes the catch, he's into the end zone for the touchdown.
Miles Jack loses Uzomah just for a little bit. And that's all Joe Burrow needed to squeeze that ball in there. And then the tight end takes it in. He's pretty quick.
3 and out, Miles. That's all we need to focus on. 3 and out, bro. 3 and out, bro.
Dropping the throws, Burrow. They throw a wide receiver screen to the right side to Uzomah, the tight end, and he breaks free. Inside the 25. They lined up the tight end at wide receiver, throw a screen, and that gets it all the way to the 21-yard line as we go under a minute to play. McPherson's lining up a 35-yarder on the final play of the game. Huber gets it down, McPherson kicks it up, and the field goal is good, and the Bengals have beaten the Jaguars 24-21.
Boy, this one hurts. And you can see it on the Jaguar players, the disappointment, because they played a heck of a ball game. Urban Meyer and these players are getting better each week.